In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung Portable SSD T5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Samsung Portable SSD T5 is known for its speed and of course the portability. It is compatible with various different devices such as a PC, a laptop, your smartphone, and so on. As long as you can establish a physical connection between the SSD and your device, you will be able to transfer files back and forth. So, to start, identify the port. Your T5 should come with two cables, Type-C USB to Type-C. So this you use for newer computers that have a USB-C port, or you might be presented with the standard USB-C to USB-A cable. This is going to be useful for most other devices that don't have USB-C. It is extremely likely that they will have USB-A instead. So all that you have to do is plug one end of the cable into the PC, the laptop, or the smartphone, and the other one into the SSD. There is no secret to this. When you establish a connection between the SSD and the device, it is going to be recognized right away, and you can now transfer files back and forth between these devices. So if you are doing this on a Windows PC, for example, you open File Explorer, go into this PC, and the Samsung Portable SSD T5 will appear on the list. If it doesn't appear, check the physical connection, try a different USB port, and you can try restarting your device. But usually it is going to be accessible right away, so it is plug and play. As soon as you have it plugged in through the proper cable, you will be able to transfer files, open files, make backups, and so on. You don't need to download any additional piece of software. However, Samsung does offer optional software that enhances the functionality of the T5. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung Portable SSD T5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.